What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be busting open. We're gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing a what's inside channel slash stuff. We're gonna see what's inside of this.
Hey, I get the first hit. I get the first hit. Ready? Now hard. Now my turn.
What the fuck? Oh, no.
You just busted off the edge. That's all you did. Trust me, it's all safe. My next one. Stand back.
Don't hit it on the dumpster.
Stand back then.
Damn!
How did we break it? Show the channel. Show the people.
Whoa.
We busted something off. Show the channel. No, don't open it. Keep it closed. Show.
We busted it.
Okay, your turn. Hold it. Okay, now my turn. My turn. Do those freaking 2 hits.
Hello.
We're breaking my old guitar.
On YouTube.
On YouTube. Now I get one more hit. Stand back.
You broke a big piece.
I want to keep that now. Let's not break it no more. No, dude, don't break it no more. No.
2.
No. You idiot.
Let's see what's inside.
Got it right on the finish breaking it. Get the camera ready. Hold the camera. Stand back. All right, here we go.
I get to break it too.
No, but ready? You pull that side. Ready? All right, I'll show them what's inside because there's nothing on this side. Just some more circuit boards and a wire. But that's about it. As long as it's in that guitar.
Let me see. Let's break it for the ending.
No, I want to keep the rest of it.
Why? Let me see it. I want to bring it.
Hey, my glove's stuck on it. I'll open it up. Fine, I get the very last hit. No, actually, I told Tyler that he gets to break it a little bit. There, that's one hit.
Ow.
That's one hit. Yeah, that's one, dude. What the freak? Oh. No! I'm gonna power hit it once.
We didn't have it. You lucky little bitch.
Whoa. How do I get out of here? I know I'm gonna take my hit while I'm making it. I'm gonna let him bust the neck. How the hell do I get out the... Oh, I landed right on it.
How do I get out?
I don't know. How did you get in?
Dang!
You grab onto both ends and you climb out. Where's your phone at? Alright guys, see you later and we'll see you next time.
Bro. Outside of the door, my ass!
Here, you
break this TV?
Huh?
Did you break this TV?
You wanna break it?
Yeah! With that! Dude, we're also gonna be breaking this TV.
Hey, Tyler, guess what?
On!
I think we will leave the guitar. Break the rest of the guitar, Tyler. Break the TV while me and Jeremiah are both on it. Jeremiah, get on. Come on. Get on that side. Fuck you.
Dang! Smash it, jump on it. Wait, move. Okay, hold your back. Hold your back. Move. Move.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, that TV is strong. Maybe we shouldn't do that.
Why?
Because it might explode.
No.
No, move.
Go back, go back. What did you do, Tyler?
Dude, there's somebody watching us. Let's go.
What did you do? Get your bag.
Oh shit, it's smoking.
Throw
Zay.
it over.
There my run. There's run.
Fucking my phone!
Over the bush.